Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I wanted to make another quick update right before the market opens and right before we see GameStop really do anything. Unfortunately, yesterday I was in Los Angeles and I couldn't make any updates throughout the day. So, well, sorry about that. So I didn't get home till like 7 o'clock, right? So I was unable to see any of these prices until I got home at 7 p.m. So you can imagine my surprise when I left like at maybe 10 in the morning, which was around right here when I saw price recover or recovering towards the upside. And then when I get home, price drops $20. So it was absolutely it was crazy to me. Obviously my positions are now under. I'm putting on my shoes, so give me a second. As of right now, I do expect GameStop to go all the way down to 150. Historically, you do have GameStop on these runs have 2 days to the downside and have a recovery on the third day, right? That's been a thing in the past where GameStop has two red days and then it recovers when we have what is it called, when we have these pops like this, right? Or when we have these rallies like this, right? So when you have these squeeze rallies, you have two red days. So we already had one, then we had two, and now today would actually be the very last day if there actually is going to be a recovery. Personally, I don't think we're going to recover. We need some sort of catalyst. That we need like a miracle to happen today or tomorrow for there to be some sort of recovery. It does seem like we're probably headed back to 150. I'll be completely honest. That if I was just looking at TA, looking at where the price is, I mean, you already broke lows of what, 167 and 170. You're trading 162 pre-market hours from closing at 166. This is horrible price action for GameStop. So, yeah, this thing's going down on 150. Either you have some random thing happen today, some miracle, or you have some catalyst that pushes GameStop back to over, back to $200, back to 180, because TA right now is all like complete shit. It's complete dog shit, right? I'll be honest. As of right now, you are testing these levels right here, right? Like you're not even you're like right here in this area back where we were March 28th. So either you start something happens where it's completely random, or you have a catalyst, but everything looks horrible. And I think this is a clear sign that GameStop is headed to 150 as far as what TA says. Obviously GameStop is random and it wants to do whatever it wants to do, but it looks like complete dog shit right now. I'll be honest with you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.